Narrative embodiment is the full embrace and experience of our body's function and the account of our life that our bodies hold. It testifies, it's witnessed the account of what's happened. And it gives us, the story gives us the gift tool, and the embodiment is our sort of somatic ownership. Within the context of integration, narrative embodiment provides the reframe, being able to look at the medicine's offerings within the context of our life story, our love story, our erotic practice. And then we take the account of what happened in the psychedelic experience and navigate through the mirages to find the representation around the changes that we want to make as a result. And sometimes we can't always see the bigger picture. And with narrative embodiment, I'm slightly outside it to see it and offer the tools and a way forward. Now, a lot of times what happens in some of these circles, medicine man or woman is thought to be the one to give you advice in your life. They may have worthy advice, but I am now of the belief that means some of them are really good at holding the space with the medicine, giving you the medicine, knowing the somatic things to do, knowing how to give you room to grieve, whether you're going through dark night of the soul or whether you're going through something beautiful, giving you the room to just be able to be and be a support system. However, not all of them can offer advice or reframe or an understanding of perhaps your life circumstances and how you can go forward with that. So I think that there is a need to have some of these narrative embodiment concepts and reframes. If someone goes to a ceremony or if someone goes to a practitioner and they have this medicine, I can work with those people to know what the medicine was. I have had the experience, so I have a general idea of what they're coming to me with, and then we can begin to work and unravel the layers of the story together. It's about being able to help people attune to their bodies.